Hi everyone! So let's talk about the coordinate system on a Swiss type CNC machine from Star. When we look at a standard coordinate system, we have our X, Z and Y direction. But when you look on a Star machine, it looks some kind of different. So when we are standing in front of the machine, we have our X and Y axis and our Z axis look in this direction. But on the Swiss type CNC machine we have something special. And the special thing is that our tool is moving in the Y and the X axis. But in the Z axis it is our bar that is moving. So we have our bar that is moving in Z axis. So even when you stand in front of the machine and the Z axis look in the right direction, if we look from the tool side, it's 180 degrees turned. So this Z axis would look in this direction from the tool side, and this direction is something that we can do with our standard coordinate system, like this. So how does it look for the programming? Normally we know the sheet 2 always go in the clockwise direction. But this direction is counterclockwise when we stand in front of the machine. But because the y-axis look in this direction, it is 180 degrees changed. So we look from this side, but the machine for the sheet 2 looks from the other side. Let's try to turn. And when we look from this side, the sheet 2 goes the right way clockwise. So now for programming, I would advise you to always work with a cheat sheet, so you don't have to take care about the right direction. For me, the cheat sheet looks something like this. So I have my G17, G18 or G19. And I always program with this paper, so I'm sure in which direction I have to program sheet 2 or the sheet 3 and G41, G42. So when I'm programming, I always look on my cheat sheet so I can program easily the right circle. Right, we select the right machine for testing, and G18 and G19. And we have our beautiful program. So I hope this video gave you a little bit of overview about the coordinate system, and it helps. Be blessed.